how you can fix your Amazon account that has been temporarily blocked, and I'll teach you guys how you can unblock it. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us just start. First, open up your web browser, and after you do, just go to Amazon support. Now, just search it up. Now, after you search for Amazon support, just scroll down till you find this link right here that says Amazon support, customer support. After you go there, you will have to sign in, but just tap on need help and just tap on other issues with sign in. Now, after you do that, you will see the login issue right here. Now, you can select it right here. Just select you cannot sign in into your account, and you will see different options right here that will help you just get back to your account. You can reset your page, or you can just call them directly. Now, after you try to reset your password page, you can just again try to reset your whole password. But if you have not received an email from Amazon, you can just check your junk or spam folder. Now, you can also just contact them directly. Here you have your number. If nothing works out, you can just call them directly and talk to them about it, and you'll be able to recover your account. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you fix your Amazon account temporarily blocked or locked. And that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.